Hey everyone, my name is Alex Trotman, and this will be an overview of my Phase 5 project for Flatiron School. I've created a habit tracker application using React on the front end and Python and Flask in the back end. This is our home page. We still have some more work to do, so this project's not completely finished, but this is where it's at so far. You have an about page, give more information about the project. We have a login page. You can either enter in some already existing credentials, or if you don't have an account, you can just click sign up and you can create an account that way. But for the purposes of this video, I have a demo account, so we will launch that, and it loads up our dashboard page. Now I have these top three cards will eventually be some data visualization, like charts or line graphs. May give you like today's stats of like how many habits you've completed, and then you'll have like something like you can compare it to yesterday's stats, so you can always compare yourself to who you were yesterday, so you're always trying to beat who you were yesterday. Instead of comparing yourself to other people, you're just comparing yourself to who you were yesterday. It displays today's date right here in this card. That'll probably change eventually. But yeah, so below that we have this container here, which displays all of our habits across all the different categories. There are two different habits. There's numeric type of habits, and there are Boolean type of habits. And it dynamically renders these input boxes for the numbers if it's a numeric, and then check boxes if it's Boolean. So that's there. And then we have this sidebar here that pops out. And then we have a few different pages here in the sidebar. We have the dashboard page, which we're already on. Have our statistics, categories, and our habits. Settings, I haven't worked on that, so that's coming soon. We'll go to our categories page. This is where you can create new categories and also edit and delete categories. You're able to click on a category and it breaks it down into the individual habits that are in that category. So this is the foreign category, and this is all of the habits, the 5 habits that are in that foreign category. You can click on habits page over here in our sidebar, and it displays a table of all of our habits across all the categories. You have this column right here that tells you which category it's in, along with the type, and you're also able to edit and delete these, be able to create habits, select a category, which one you want to add it to. So this is just one location you can add habits from. And then probably the most fun page is our statistics page. So this displays a donut chart of our different categories. So we have 4 categories here. You can see foreign, big, able, and think. This will show us our 4 categories, and you're able to click on a category and then it will break it down further into the individual habits. So let's try throughout, see if that, nope, that is a numeric habit. So numeric habits won't display the squares in the heat map. That is something else that I need to look at. So let's try, see, we did throughout, let's try more. Nope. Let's go ahead and go to our categories. Let's go to foreign. Let's find a Boolean habit, meat. All right, so foreign, and then let's look for meat. There it is. Once we click on that, it'll display a heat map calendar showing all of the days that we've logged that we did that habit. So all of these have a true value. And that is essentially the project thus far. I still have more work to do. It's a work in progress, but at the end of Phase 5, this is where it's at. I'll continue to work on this and hopefully get it deployed so you guys can see a live example. Thank you for watching.